Good morning everyone. Let's start the today's class. Today's our topic is multiplying. Yesterday we completed page number 22 by using the different multiplication concept. Here also now, here Sultan uses the grid method. The grid method, this is the grid method I explained yesterday's class. That's why to answer some calculation, but then spills ink on this work. What numbers are under the ink smudges? Okay, what number under the ink? So you have to understand how to multiply first, then you will find the answer. You can easily find the answer. So how? Look at here, you know that here 40 and 7 is given to you. This number you need. When you need this number, how to do? Multiply. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 zeros are 0. You know that 3 4s are 12, then that is 0. So here is what? 120. So if it is here 120, after that what we have to add or not? 120 plus 21, because these are the answers. So 120 plus 21, how much? 141. Now look at similarly question number C. Here is 50 and 1, because 51 means 50 and 1 multiply 5. So 5 5 is how much? 25, and this 0 will be here. 5 ones are 5. 50 multiply 5, don't need to multiply 50. So just multiply 5 with the 5, 25, and here is 0. 5 ones are 5. So after that you have to add or not for answer. So 250 plus 5 equal to 255. Okay. So question number B and D you can do it by yourself. Okay, this is your homework. Now look at your question number 5 again. Already we learned in like this question. In let's investigate question. I don't know. So just by multiplying the two circles, then the answer is in square. When you multiply the two circles, then the answer in the square. So here similarly, like 14 multiplied by 3, how much? 42. That is right in the middle. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 here. 4 multiplied by 14, that means 14 multiplied by 4 is 56. Write it in the middle. Like 4 4 16, 6 and 1 carry, 4 ones are 4, 5. Similarly the next question is what again? 5 multiplied by 21, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. The answer, write it in the middle. 21 multiplied by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Then the answer, write it in the middle. Similarly 5 threes are 15, write it in the middle. That means when you multiply two squares, the answer should be in the square. That's it. When you multiply the two circles, when you multiply two circles, the answer should be right in the middle of the square. That's it. Okay. Now the next question is what here? Pencils are sold in packs of 5. That means in one pack there are 5 pencils. In one pack there are 5 pencils. Each pack cost is 95 cents. Each pack cost how much? 95 cents. Okay. So Fatima buys 4 packs of pencil. How many? 4. So what is the cost? So first of all remember, $1 equal to 100 cents. $1 equal to 100 cents. So now here 95, one packet is 95 cents. What is the cost of 4 packets? So 4 5s are 20, 0 and 2 carry. 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 2 is 38. So 380 cents. The 4 packets cost how much? 380 cents. Now here use the digits 2, 3, 4 only. You have to use the numbers 2, 3 and 4 only to make the expression with the greatest product. That means the answer product means what? When you multiply, the answer is called the product. When you multiply the answer, suppose when I multiply 3 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 4, the answer is called product. The answer is called product. And the answer is called product. Okay. When you multiply two numbers, the answer is called product. So how you get the biggest fraction, biggest product? Just simply look at by looking 2, 3 and 4. Which is the biggest number? 4. You know that the biggest number is 4. So write it here is the 4, because we have to multiply with the 4. Then remaining 2 and 3. So 23 and 32. Which is the big number? 32. So write it 32. First check it up, because single number we have multiplied with this number. Right? No, we like here 4, we multiply with the 4, not multiply with the 5. So we multiply with the single number. The single number should be the biggest number. So 2, 3, 4, which is the big number? 4. Write it 4 here. After that here 2 digit number. So 23 and 32. So which is the bigger one? 32. Then multiply 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. If I example take it 23 multiply by 4, look at here, this is the small number. 4 3s are 12, 2 and here's the 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 92. Check it, this is the smaller than this one. 92 is the smaller. So we need the greatest product. Greatest means the bigger product, bigger answer. So 128 is the correct answer. So your homework is page number 23, question number 4, B and D. B and D, these questions. Okay, B and D, grid method. You know that like here 93 means what? 90 and 3. Okay, do it like this way. I hope you understand today's classwork. If you have any more question, you can ask in the next class. Thank you.